I found a tricky way to create t-shirt designs using Ideogram. You can ask ChatGPT for prompts or you can remix existing designs from Ideogram. So let me show you how. First of all, I asked ChatGPT, can you give me 10 funny Ideogram AI t-shirt prompts for Halloween niche? You can cross niche with mom, animals and professions, and the ChatGPT gave me these 10 prompts. After that, he asked me if I want to structure these prompts for ideogram. I said yes, and he gave me the final prompts. So let's use one of these prompts just here for the boss. Let's choose this one, copy this and come in ideogram. So I'm using the last version, 3.0 turbo version. You can play with the numbers of images. Let's do it 4. Generate. By the way, my magic prompt is off. So let's see what is we gonna have. There you go. We've got 4 designs. Let's open them. Okay, you can see how they looks. Now let's go on home and search for Halloween. And we're going to recreate this design. So let's start with this one. I will open this one. I will use this design as a reference, as a style, and I will recreate this prompt. Go back. I will try, let's say, remove this one, use this one as a style, create. Let's try which one? This one and this one. Let's do this one. You can also add 2 or 3 images in the same time for the style reference. Let's do this one as well. I will do this with 2 images, and after that I will remove both of them. This one and use just this one, and we will see the difference. Generate, go back, let's do this one, remove, style, generate. Let's do which one? This one. And after that we're going to see the results. Use this one, generate, and let's do one more. Which one? Which one? Which one? This one. Okay. And you can play a lot, and not every prompt is gonna work, but I can say 95% of the prompts you're going to create a good t-shirt design. So let's check. So this one is good. This one you can use probably this one. Okay, call somehow in chef. This one is also very nice. This one is too busy. This one is good, I think. And after that you can play when you remove the background. You need to upscale the image, remove the background and see if it's going to work. This one also is very nice. So the main one, it's not very good, but if we play a lot, we can create very nice t-shirt design. So let's try one more. Let's say which one? Zombie nurse. Let's do this one. Come to ideogram, remove this. We're going to create main design, and after that we're going to twitch everything. Let's see what we're going to receive. Okay, so let's start on the main page, or we can actually search on t-shirt designs and use some different design, not only Halloween, but Halloween is a scary one with spooky vibes. That's why we're going to create Halloween style. I'm going to scroll a little bit down to use different styles. Let's do this one. Okay, style, generate. Let's do this one. Remove this style and add the other one. Okay. Let's go back. Let's do this one with a vintage background. Delete this one. Use this one. Generate. This one is nice. Even if it's only image, it's going to tweak our design. Come on. File. And let's do one more. This is too busy. Let's do this one. Let's check what we receive. Creations. Let's find the... So this is the main one. You can see it. And after that, this one is... I think it's too busy, but it's going to work. This one is good. This one is good. Brains over beauty. Brains over beauty. Brains over beauty. Everything is spelled correctly. This one is also nice, and you can use some of them. So now let's do something different. Let's go on the main page and find some design that you like. Let's type Halloween, and we're going to take one of the designs. Let's say this one. We can recreate this design. Let's say describe. We can go on ChatGPT and we can ask ChatGPT, based on this prompt, give us 10 different designs in Halloween niche. And after that, we can start creating the designs from the same way. But let's do this one in different style. So let's generate this one. And if you find a bestseller, you can describe the bestseller and tweak it and create some different style. So now let's go on the main page. Halloween. And let's scroll. Let's put the prompt here. Let's do this one. Style. Okay, scroll a little bit down. Let's do this one. This one is very nice. Style. And let's do one more. This pumpkin is very nice. Delete this one. Style. Generate, and let's see what we going to have. It's almost the same actually. This one is different. I think the last one is, it creates very nice designs. So let's download, let's say this one. This one. Which one? I think this one is good. And on the chef side, let's download this one. I will go on Kittl. I have opened merge size canvas and I will grab. So there you go. We've got our designs here. Let's make them bigger. I will upscale them. You can upscale 10 image in the same time, and you can remove the background from 10 image at the same time. Let's wait a few more seconds. We can start like this one. Okay, let's remove the background for all of them. I will start moving them here. Let's do this one here, this one here. Okay, so This one is perfect, I think. Let's move it. This is going to work on a white t-shirt. Okay, let's make the canvas smaller. I will duplicate this. Okay, so let's remove this one, make it smaller. I will make this a little bit tidy up. So this one is here, this one is here, this one is here. Let's make this side by side. This is the same design, I think. Make this bigger. So I will change the color of the layout for black. So this is going to work on a dark t-shirts, and you can try to vectorize this. Let's copy the image, vectorize. I'm going to use, let's say, two colors. This one is going to work on a dark t-shirt as well. Let's, yes, perfect, perfect. This one. So let's make this white and let's make this black. I don't think it's going to look very good on a white t-shirt, this one. The other way is, let's duplicate this. We cannot shadow. Black, make it 30, let's say. Nope, 45. It's still not going to look good on the white t-shirt, so we're going to use this one on a dark colors. This one as well. So this one is perfect, but we cannot use it on the dark t-shirts. We cannot use this on the dark t-shirts as well, but let's try make it dark. And now we can use shadow, make it white and move it to 50. No. So this one, I will duplicate this one. It's not gonna work this way. By the way, I'm using the pro version of Kittl and I have access to most of the tools. But anyway, if you like the Kittl, you can create free account and after that you will decide if you want to upgrade or not. So if you have any interest, the link will be down below in the description. So let's get back to the video. So this one and this one is going to work good on the dark t-shirts and this one on the white, this one as well on the white. Let's download this. I can remove the background, optimize quality, make it 300 dpi, download. Let's download this one as well. There you go. Let's make this bigger. Download this one. There you go. And this one. Now we're gonna test them on Printify to see how it's gonna look. And also we can check the quality. So this one. You can also download the files on SVG files. Let me show you. I will download this as a PNG and as a SVG file. Let's grab just this file. There you go. There you go. And let's download this as a SVG file. So let's go on Printify. Let's first of all drag this file here. Let's open another window. So we can review this file. So you can see how it looks on the white t-shirt. It's a little bit bigger, I think. I will size this little bit down, let's say 12 or 1250. Let's try it. Yeah, I think it looks very nice. Let's check it here. I can do it a little bit bigger, I think. But let's check the quality. This is vector file, it's high quality. So let's try which one. This one. Nope, this one is SVG, this one is the same. Let's check this one. Now we will remove this one. There you go. I think it's going to be good. Let's make it 13. Okay, let's double check how it looks. I can move the design a little bit down. Let's make it 12 inches. Let's check now. I think now it's going to be good. You can do it a little bit down, just a little bit, because the design is going to the end of the t-shirts almost. So let's try the other one on a dark t-shirt. Let's do this one. We're going to see how it's going to look. And you can see, we didn't check the last one, but you can see the resolution. It's more than 300 dpi, and we can, when we size it down, it's going to be almost 400 dpi. So the quality is going to be very, very good. So let's check this one. This is going to work very nice on dark t-shirts. You can see, we can skip this one. This one is good. This one, it's also good. And this one is good. Let's check it. Yeah, it looks very nice. Perfect. I think it looks good. So let's recap, guys. You can ask ChatGPT to write you prompts. After that, you will start use the style of different images and different designs, and you can create this design. And from one design, you can create 10, 20 variations, and you can choose the best one for you. After that, you need to upscale the image, remove the background, and see if it's going to work on different colors. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.